September 28, 2023, officers from the Albuquerque Police Department in New Mexico investigated reports of shots fired in the area.
You by chance hear gunshots?
You're asking the wrong person, you know why?
What?
I hear gunshots all the time.
Yeah, we hear them too.
So that's why I say you're asking the wrong person. Police Department.
Albuquerque Police.
Alright, the guy in the red, come this way too.
Hey, you in the red.
Come this way. Follow your buddies.
Do me a favor, guys. Just put what you guys got down. I just want to see empty hands, okay? We're dispatched to a call shot shots fired. Can't talk. Alright, well the address came out right here, okay? So we just have to make sure.
Yeah, we just...
You in the red shirt. Step over here. Just put what you have in your hands down.
Appreciate it.
Thank you guys. Didn't you guys hear shots fired?
Yeah.
Where at?
It was an artillery shot.
Well, you were just saying you heard them over there.
No, we could hear the shots right here.
So you guys all heard them from over here?
Yeah. We've been doing it like almost every hour at least.
Okay.
We hear it every night.
You guys are here every night?
Yeah.
We hear it every night. We're not here every night. We just drop that car off.
We're just gonna check, make sure there's no casings or anything over here.
Fine.
Because the shot spotter says it's right here, and it's pretty accurate. So
Yeah.
Albuquerque Police. Wake up, man. You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
who's that over there?
We had no idea.
No.
Didn't even know there's anybody there.
Need you to stand up for me. The reason we're here, we got dispatched to shots fired going off right here.
I hear nothing.
You didn't hear nothing?
No.
Go ahead and stand up and walk over there to my partner, okay?
And I made a joke about, hey, where's the rest of the car? Because there's a half a hundred.
Yeah, for real. That's weird.
Right over there. Over there to your right.
Hey, you in the gray?
Come on. Hands behind your back now.
Stay here. Good?
Don't move. Knuckles together.
I don't know if I hit 5'6", but we have 5 detained right now.
Wanna walk this way? Watch it, Dodgin. There you go.
These people are coming the wrong way.
What's that? My daughter and her boyfriend.
That's your daughter and your boyfriend?
Yeah. They probably seen us.
Just hang out over there, okay? Yeah, well, we'll let you know in a minute.
We're okay, Julie.
They said they heard gunshots.
You sit down right here on the curb.
What are we being detained for?
You guys are detained because we're investigating, make sure none of you guys were the ones shooting.
We just told you we weren't shooting.
What are you doing with that broke down car back there?
I made a joke. I was telling my friend, hey, where's the rest of my car?
Where do you guys live at?
Where the lights at?
And is your family here?
Yeah.
You guys are good to go?
Thank you.
We're going this way, is that cool?
Yeah.
We're going to the...
Let's go around this way.
Alright.
We're okay.
You hear any,
Good night.
hear any gunshots? Do you know what your original charge was?
Really, shoplifting.
Shoplifting? Misdemeanor or felony? I don't think I can let that go, okay? You're probably going to go to jail for
I'm
it.
good with it.
Hey, get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, let's go. Get up. Come on.
Idaho 335 PD. You good, Ralford? We got shots fired by a black Durango heading eastbound on Chico.
Come on.
Right there, court, please.
What's your name?
Visual on her.
Sir.
See which way you turn.
It was a black Dodge Durango going eastbound towards Wyoming.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Stay with him.
Hey, let me check you. You good? Yeah.
So they're directed at you.
Who's directed at me?
10-4. That was at 34.
Sit down.
I can't, my shoulders hurt so bad. It's like they're tight.
Go ahead. Go sit down.
Can you let me go?
No, stay where you're at.
Still have a visual on in the area.
Negative.
Did you have a 26?
That's all orange or yellow.
We weren't able to see it. It sped off really fast.
I can't believe they did that right with you there.
It's crazy, dude.
That's off the hook, bro.
Might be this guy's lucky day.
I almost took off with him on the curb, dude.
I still haven't got to finish looking. And this stuff is the reason why you weren't free to leave, okay? This is a crime. No, it was yours, man. Yep. I didn't see the shooter, did you?
No. It was out of the driver's side, though.
That shots came from the back of the car. Up in the air.
What was that, man?
Those shots came from the
Slow to stop.
back of the car, up in the air.
We're about the fire station now.
Shoot up in the air. Yeah, back of the car. The left-hand side. Back.
I'm gonna shoot back, dude, but...
The shooter's gonna be the back passenger driver's side.
In the footage, the location of the weapon is extremely difficult to decipher. The gun appears to have been fired from above the roof on the driver's side, but this isn't enough information to determine exactly where the gun was aimed. As the vehicle zooms by, the driver's window appears open, but it is difficult to determine if the back window is open or not. Regardless, officers would soon get to the bottom of this mystery.
Hey, you guys good? Yeah. Yeah. Drive by.
Oh, yeah?
Did you guys see it?
No.
Yeah, driver.
You guys go wait inside, okay? Because we don't know if... We don't know, okay? I just want you guys to be safe.
bro.
Yeah, no, they were shooting at us.
Alright, bro.
You guys be safe.
Alright, man, we're gonna go get you in a car where it's a little bit safer, okay? 1, 2, 3. There we go. We're gonna throw them in a car just so we don't have to stand out here in the open. Watch your head. What is that? You got a purse on? What is that? Bag. You know, take your bag off and we'll adjust your handcuffs for you, okay?
See, Casey? Yeah, I got one right here. Appreciate you, man. I'm glad you're okay.
I'm gonna give you one more click loose, okay?
In this moment, patrolling officers appear to have found the Dodge Durango in question. Officers believe the driver dropped someone off and then continued driving away. A moment after, officers split up to apprehend both parties.
Hey, bro, have a seat on the curb for me. Have a seat. You're being detained and not free to leave. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Get on the curb. Hands up. Get on the curb. Get on the curb.
On your knees, cross the leg. Hey, hands up.
You have weapons on you?
Oh no, I don't have weapons. I don't have them. What's going on? Oh my god, guys.
You just got on a black Durango?
No, guys walked from Vermont from Rancho Richards, guys. I don't want, yeah, guys, I don't do nothing. I don't get no car, nothing, guys. I don't have a gun, I don't want to shoot a gun, guys. There's a good shot. Actually, I'm listening, sir. I'm sorry.
I couldn't tell. He's like off the street. He looked like he did, but...
Yeah, 10-4. Drive. Turn the vehicle. Shut your vehicle off. Turn the vehicle off. Throw the keys out the window. Turn the car off.
Turn it off.
Driver is compliant this time. He's a WMA wearing an orange shirt.
Drive in the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle with your hands up and empty.
Oh, sorry, sir. I'm sick.
Get out of the goddamn car. Do it now. Climb out the window. You better figure it the f out right now. If you do anything other than you're told, your ass is going to get hit with this rubber bullet. You understand? Out of the car. Now.
We're pretty sure that we saw you get out of the vehicle. Yeah, look at the camera. I walked from over by Vermont. I see the white truck.
Now you just detained, okay? We're telling you why you're being
I know, but
okay?
you guys, I just walked from Vermont, guys. Like, I see the white truck drive down here, that PSI one that drove by in Vermont.
You see a team back.
Yeah.
Hey, no, put him in the car.
Yeah, sorry, it's important. You can log on this and then we get like GC chip codes, Central Vermont.
As far as somebody getting out of the vehicle and running, this guy. He runs from the vehicle and then he runs across the street.
He was trying to get up here quick.
So we can articulate that he was in the vehicle.
He was thinking about hooking it.
Yeah, he looked, but that's why I kind of pulled the head out. It's like,
yeah, just been one of us, and I think you would have tried to run.
Your right hand, grab your shirt at the top of your neck. Right there. Pull it up. All the way up. I need to see your waistband, front and back. Take it off. Turn around. Stop. Walk back towards the sound of my voice. Stop. Take 2 steps to your right.
Walk backwards. Stop. Yeah, I got him. Put back down. Walk backwards. Walk up.
That's not sure. There's nobody in the vehicle. You guys are...
I'm sorry. Stop. Face the car. Is there anyone else inside?
No, there's not.
Is there any weapons inside?
Yes, my work knife.
Your work knife? Any guns?
No.
Separate your feet. Separate your feet more.
I'm not gonna lie, there's a 9mm MP
In the car?
under the
Okay, come on. Under which seat? Which seat?
My vehicle.
Okay, sit down. Hey, Sarge.
There's one in the car, rider side.
Driver's side?
Yes, bottom.
No one else inside, is what he says.
Oh, you can check my pocket.
Sit down. What am I supposed to be looking in your pocket for?
Alright, Max, you want to hold the hot side? We'll clear it from here.
There's someone in the car.
Hey, what is this?
That's a wax pen.
Okay, sit down all the way.
I don't know if he saw who physically shot him.
Hey, can you identify the passenger that was in the vehicle?
Negative.
That's it, quick. Here. So it says there's a gun. Oh, I don't see no gun. Clear. Hey, I found the gun.
Alright, leave it.
It's underneath that seat. Do you have an ID in New Mexico?
No, I do not have one at the moment.
Have you ever had contact with police before?
This is my first, well, it's not my first time, but like my first.
There's like a bunch of stuff in the back seat.
He has warrants. That's enough to search incident for arrest for what's in his bag to see if they're a shooter or not. We'll see what they got. I mean, ultimately, if he has no 29s.
We can ask him to search the bag.
Yeah.
Looks like he was a juvenile during all these.
So this might be the Durango related to the homicide.
Well, they probably would shoot at 31st.
Yeah.
So you think it's the same Durango?
And if he's associated with the victim of that body, then this might be that be the vehicle.
Any relation to that homicide yet?
There's like 5 reports. I don't know.
Okay, go pull that up real quick to check so I can tell if I need to call homicide for this car.
The officers appear to bring up that a Dodge Durango involved in a homicide might be the same one that they just pulled over. Based off court records, the individuals involved in this incident are not connected to that homicide.
You said you're working on a driver's license, right? When you say you're working on it, why haven't you gotten one, or what's up with that? Actually, you know what? Actually, no, stop talking. I'm gonna stop asking questions, dude.
And then Ralford has a guy in his car. Just Jane, do you want me to just leave the casings for now and head over?
What's he 29 for?
We don't know yet. We were running him when all popped off.
Might be his lucky day.
That's what I was telling Ralford too.
I'm gonna just check your warrants and confirm them. If they're not felonies, then I'm gonna let you go. Okay?
You have 3 felonies confirmed. Please advise your hands the body window. We'll send it over.
Thank you.
He was in cuffs, so it's kind of.
It appears officers did end up sending this individual to jail over his felony shoplifting and bail jumping warrants. It was not his lucky day after all.
So bad for homeboy.
Idiots, dude.
He was shooting from the passengers side. Yeah, he said rear passenger side too, so I don't know what I just wonder if that's for sure the vehicle that 54 is like for sure that vehicle.
Crazy, I didn't think they were going to say that.
Yeah,
If they were shooting him down. I mean, it's crazy regardless, but I just assumed I saw someone coming around.
It has the same like bar light that a Durango would have.
No, it was for sure Durango.
He said it's the one they have is a Citadel. It looks just like a.
Well, it has the Dodge and tail.
Oh yeah, he dropped off one passenger, I think. Like he whipped into that smoke shop real quick when he saw me, and then somebody had eyes on it, and they jumped out on the passenger. But there's a gun in the back.
9mm?
I think so, but I can't tell. I'm not gonna go inside of it yet. So.
The casing's over here, I'm pretty sure 9mm.
Sweet. Cool, dude. These guys, if they're, I mean, I don't think there could be a rear passenger. This thing, there's just so much shit in the back.
It might have been driver, it's just going fast. 16, same as the back passenger. And I thought it was back passenger, relatively was driver.
He says I bought the gun off the street. Papers for it. See the ejection port? 9mm on it. Oh wait, in there. What's up, man?
Anybody talk to you yet? No. Alright, hey, before I talk to you, I want to just read you some questions, okay? You have the right to be inside. Your car drove by my officer down the street and shot me. Okay? Sure. Yeah. It's not an accident. The good thing when you sweep those casings up off the street, and I'm going to tag your running evidence, I'm going to go testify to our criminalistic detectives. They're going to tell me exactly what you don't want me to tell you, that those bullets are going to be, or casings are going to be the exact match. So you can sit here and bullshit.
I'm not telling you straight up, bro.
That's what I want you to tell me.
I'm kind of faded, bro. I have a gun. I bought it off the street. I did. Drinks today. I didn't shoot nobody.
What are you doing? Tell me. Did you shoot that gun?
I got the gun off the street, bro. I just had to take a couple shots today, bro. And I actually felt a little excited, so that's what happened. And this happened. I don't know what other person want to ask me, but I'm trying to shoot.
You didn't see the 2 cops standing in the road when you decided to shoot that?
No, I didn't now.
The uncertainty from the officers appears to vanish as the suspect admits to sticking his gun out the window while drinking and driving after buying it off the street. The driver was promptly arrested and charged with 1 felony count of shooting from a motor vehicle without causing great bodily harm, 1 felony count of aggravated assault upon a peace officer, 1 petty misdemeanor count of negligent use of a deadly weapon, and 1 petty misdemeanor count of driving while under the influence. After his arrest, the suspect was issued a no bond hold, meaning he would be held in jail until a verdict is reached regarding his court case. He faces 4 to 8 years in prison if convicted on all 4 counts. 6 months later, in April of 2024, he entered a plea deal, submitting a no contest plea for both of his felony charges. A month later, he was sentenced. The New Mexico court website indicates he was released on recognizance and is under strict pre-trial supervision, implying he was sentenced with some form of probation or parole, the duration of which is not publicly available.
Beat me to it with the dirt.
Sorry. Where'd you get meetups?
Dinner. You want some wings? There's like 13 of them in there. Thursdays.
Protein. Wait,
BOGO.
Huh?
It's Thursdays.
Oh, really?
BOGO.